Hello, welcome again. We are solving engineering exercise 3 2018 mechanical engineering paper question number 90 for you. A single cylinder reciprocating engine works with a stroke of 320 mass of reciprocating parts as 45 kg and mass of revolving parts as 35 kg at crank radius. If 60% of the reciprocating parts and all the revolving parts are to be balanced, then the balancing mass required at a 300 mm radius is nearly option A 33.1 kg, option B 36.3 kg, option C 39.5 kg and option D 42.7 kg. So here length of stroke is 320 mm, mass of reciprocating parts is 45 kg, mass of revolving part is 35 kg. Mass of reciprocating parts to be balanced is 60% of reciprocating mass, so that is 0.6 into 45, so that is 27 kg. So the mass to be balanced is 27 plus 35, so that is 62 kg. Okay, so now we have to balance this mass, and this mass revolving part as well as reciprocating mass is assumed to be placed at crank radius. So crank radius is length of stroke by 2, so that is 160 mm. So now we have to balance centrifugal force caused by this 62 kg mass. That will be equal to 62 omega square r. R is 160 mm. And this will be balanced by force mass mc, which is called counter mass, and this mass is placed at a radius rc, which is counter radius. So it will produce a centrifugal force mc rc omega square will cancel out, so it will be equal to mc rc equal to m mass, and rc, the counter mass radius is given, so that is 300 mm. So mc comes out as this is 62, this is 160, and this is mc comes out as 33.06 kg. Okay. Reciprocating 45, revolving 35, 60%, so 35 plus 0.6 of 45, radius is 320 by 2, and counter mass radius of balancing mass radius is 300, so m comes out as 33.06, or we can say 33.1 kg. Option A is the answer.